I'm Thomas Locatelli, Sales Manager with Ulma Canada. I'm managing our business in BC and I'm overseeing our scope of work. Today, we're in Metro Vancouver for the Petala Bridge replacement project, connecting New Westminster and Surrey. The new 4-lane cable-stayed bridge will optimize the use of the existing road network and provide a safer crossing for all bridge users. We have a long history spanning the globe with both JV partners, Acciona and Aecon, and have built strong relationships with both. At Ulma, it's all about trust. From the initial bid phase to the execution on site, we operate transparently with a collaborative approach to provide safe and reliable forming solutions to clients such as Fraser Crossing Partners.